In the realm of AI, there is so much more to be discovered. What we know at present is like the tip of the iceberg. Deep down, there are lots of things to be seen and many secrets waiting to be unraveled. Join us as we unfold some of AI's deepest secrets. Secret number 10. Top Secret AI Labs. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fast emerging field with a promise to transform many aspects of our lives. As a result, many countries are investing heavily in AI research and development. Some of these countries have top secret AI labs where they are working on cutting-edge AI technologies that is hidden to the general public. The work that is being done in these top secret AI labs is shrouded in secrecy, but it is certain that it has the potential to change the world. It is important to be aware of this work and to think about the implications of AI for our future. The AI race is global, and it is likely that more and more countries will be investing in AI research and development in the years to come. This is a trend that we should all be paying attention to, as it has the potential to have a major impact on our world. Secret number 9. AI's watchful eyes. AI is rapidly becoming more powerful and sophisticated. As a result, it is becoming increasingly possible for AI systems to track and analyze our every move. This is happening already in a number of ways. For instance, our smartphones are constantly tracking our locations, our movements, and our interactions with other people. This data is being used by companies to target us with advertising and by governments to track our very movements. Another example is social media. Social media platforms track our likes, dislikes, and interactions with other users. This data is mainly used for advertising and to influence our behavior. The use of AI to track and analyze our activities is a complex issue with no easy answers. It is important to be aware of the potential risks and to take steps to protect our privacy. However, it is also important to recognize the potential benefits of AI tracking. For example, AI could be used to improve our health, safety, and security. It is important to weigh the risks and benefits carefully and to make informed choices about how to use AI technology. Secret number 8. AI's exponential growth. Exponential growth, in the case of AI, means that the capabilities of AI systems are improving at an ever-increasing rate. AI systems learn from data, and the amount of data that is available is growing exponentially. This means that AI systems are constantly being exposed to new information which helps them to improve their performance. Think of it as a snowball rolling down the mountains. While it rolls down, it's slowly gathering more snow until it builds up into a huge avalanche. In addition, researchers are constantly developing new algorithms that are more powerful and efficient than ever before. These new algorithms are enabling AI systems to solve problems that are previously impossible to solve. To further elaborate, the largest AI model in the world today, the GPT-3, has 175 billion parameters. This is more than 100 times the number of parameters in the previous largest model. It is expected that the size of AI models will continue to increase exponentially in the future. Secret number 7. The age of deep fakes. Deep fakes. These are images or videos that have been modified and altered to make it look like someone is doing or speaking something they never actually said or did. They are created using a technique called deep learning, which allows computers to learn to copy human behavior. Deep fakes are becoming very realistic. It is becoming harder to tell them apart. From real videos and images, this raises alarming concerns that deep fakes could be used to spread misinformation or to destroy someone's reputation. Not only that, it can also be potentially used to scam, blackmail, or to discriminate against other people. These capabilities may become one of our biggest challenges in the many years to come. Secret number 6. Conversing with AI. If you love sci-fi movies like Ex Machina and Her, you will probably be thrilled, as talking to AI slowly feels like talking to a real human. AI systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They are able to learn and adapt to our behavior, which makes them feel more natural to interact with. For example, AI chatbots can now hold conversations that are indistinguishable from those with a human. In addition, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa can answer our questions, set reminders, and control our smart home devices. They can also learn our preferences and make suggestions that are tailored to us. As AI technology continues to develop, it is likely that we will see even more ways to interact with AI in ways that feel natural and meaningful. Secret number 5. AI's unsupervised learning. You might have heard of Google's self-driving cars. This is one of the major uses of AI's self-learning abilities. Self-learning AI is a type of AI that can learn and improve without any human intervention. This is done by using machine learning algorithms to analyze data and make predictions. AI self-learning abilities is a powerful technology that has the potential to revolutionize many industries. Even our daily activities now incorporate AI self-learning. For instance, Amazon's recommendation engine uses self-learning AI to recommend products to customers. Then there's Netflix algorithm that uses self-learning AI to recommend movies and TV shows to customers. Not only that, Spotify's algorithm also uses self-learning AI to recommend music to customers. As the technology continues to develop, we are likely to see even more ways in which self-learning AI can be used to improve our lives. Secret number 4. Great leaps through quantum computing. Quantum computers are able to process information in a way that is fundamentally different from traditional computers. This gives them the potential to solve problems that are intractable for traditional computers. Quantum computing has the potential to supercharge AI in a number of ways. For example, quantum computers could be used to train AI models on larger and more complex datasets. It can also be used to develop new AI algorithms that are more powerful and efficient. Lastly, this could be potentially solve problems that are currently intractable for AI, such as drug discovery and climate modeling. The combination of quantum computing and AI could lead to a new era of innovation and discovery. The possibilities are endless, and it is exciting to imagine what the future holds for quantum computing and AI. Secret number 3. AI's deep knowledge about you. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly developing field, and it is becoming increasingly capable of collecting and analyzing data. This data can include everything from your search history to your social media posts up to your medical records. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they will be able to learn more and more about us, even more than we know about ourselves. AI systems can collect data from your online activity, such as your search history and social media posts. They can also collect data from your physical activity, such as your location data and your fitness tracker data. AI systems are also able to analyze more efficiently than humans. This data will be an important asset for AI's constant learning process. As AI systems are exposed to more data, they become better at understanding and predicting human behavior. From personalized playlists to product recommendations, AI is becoming an essential part of our decision-making process, often predicting our desires even before we realize them. Secret number 2: AI-powered autonomous weapons. Autonomous weapons are weapons that can select and engage targets without human interventions. They are often referred to as killer robots, or LAWS, which stands for Lethal Autonomous Weapons Systems. Sounds like most sci-fi movie plots, don't you think? By incorporating AI, these weapons can easily identify and attack targets. AI can do this by analyzing sensor data. This can be done much faster and more accurately than humans can. It can also decide whether to engage targets. AI can be used to make decisions about when or when not to attack targets. This can be based on a number of factors such as target's identity, location, and threat level. Lastly, AI can operate weapon systems. AI can be used to operate weapon systems such as guns and missiles. This can be done more precisely and reliably than humans can. The development of autonomous weapons is a controversial topic. There are a number of concerns about the use of these weapons, including the risk of unintended casualties, loss of control, and the potential development of an arms race. Despite these concerns, the development of autonomous weapons is continuing. Let us all just hope that these technologies will not fall on the wrong hands. Last but not the least, secret number 1. This is the only dawn of the AI age. Artificial intelligence is like a vast ocean, and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface of its potential. There are many exciting possibilities for AI, and it is likely to have a profound impact on our lives in the years to come. Imagine the possibilities of AI being used in healthcare, transportation, education, and some other fields. The idea that AI is only just the beginning is a thrilling one. It means that we are still in the early stages of exploring the potential of AI, and there is still much to be learned. It also means that there are many opportunities for us to shape the future of AI and to ensure that it is used for good. Well, there you have it, AI's top secrets. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching!